Simone here. Welcome back to my channel. So today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to basically install a 360 lace frontal wig. Today's wig is sponsored by Geniuswigs, and I'm going to show you how I put it into a high ponytail without doing the most, and then I'm going to show you guys how I do it a half a pat down, and basically all the things that you can do with a 360 lace frontal wig. First things first is I always show you guys a little unboxing because I feel like it's super important to see how the wig looks when you first get it, especially if you're a new wig wearer. Second, I'm gonna highlight that this wig has crystal lace, which means it's very clear, looks really natural on your skin, and basically blends and can become meltable onto your skin. This is a 20-inch body wave lace wig. Obviously, this wig can be curled, it can be straightened. To get started, I do like to oil my hair before I put on any units, and before I put on any ball cap, because it can be drying depending on what you're using to basically put the wig to melt the ball cap into your skin. So we're gonna be using the Jamaican mango and lime black castor oil. This is the peppermint one, and I love how it makes your scalp feel all tingly. Don't put too much oil though, because you don't want it to go and leak. You don't want it to leak onto your wig. For this particular part of the video, we're not going in depth. You guys have seen me do a ball cap method several times. So we're just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna show you it, but I'm gonna speed through it. All right, so keep watching. Now that we have the ball cap on our head, let's go ahead and put on the wig. So, got her right here. Ooh, this is a tight wig. What the hell? I feel like my head has gotten bigger over the, since the year started. Because I feel like no wigs are fitting me. Either that or they're making the wig small and making me blame my damn self. So, it's probably the wig. You know, and I'm also realizing that my hairline is quite unique when it comes to these ball cap methods. All right, so what I am gonna do though, because I don't know, this is just fitting me very weird. All right, so now we have the seams on the wig matching up with both ears. And then what we're gonna do is, you can see the wig cap clear as day. We don't want that. So I am gonna have to peel off some pieces of the wig cap so that it is very seamless still without it being, you know, weird looking and obvious that I have a ball cap underneath. So we gotta peel back all of this. Okay, so ball cap applied, applied and customized. I'm gonna go ahead and install this. I'm using this hairspray. If you guys don't know, this is Even. I hope I'm saying that right. And it works really well. There's nothing in here, so I'm hoping that it lasts. It can do the whole entire hair front. Yeah, so let's go ahead and install. I'm gonna go ahead and speed this part. Well, Alright, so once you've got your lace down in place, take a brush with powder or leftover foundation and basically just color the edges of your lace so that therefore it doesn't look like so obvious. The line of demarcation is no longer showing and it just looks seamless. So we're gonna do that before we get into baby hairs. So now we're into the baby hairs. I like to use the edge control brush and you can go as crazy as you want with this. Don't go too crazy, obviously, but do enough to where you're comfortable. I like to make sure I have enough hairs to kind of cover the edges of the lace if I feel like I haven't done it so seamless, but they don't have to be super huge. Like they don't have to be big baby hairs. So do it to what you like. I'm gonna comb out a few hairs. I like to comb out 2 sections, like kind of like right here-ish, and then swoop those. So I start off there first, and then I go ahead and do like the edges and stuff, like the areas by the ears. Okay, and then you can go ahead and twist this just to keep it out of the way and separate it from the rest of the hairs. Get a scissors. I just like to, don't cut them too short, okay? Cut them long enough. Not too long though. You can trim it as you go, okay? And then I get a flat iron. If you have a tinier one, even better. If not, I'm just using a regular hot tool, maybe about 1 inch wide flat iron. And I just like to curl them this way so that they're like this. Okay, now get your favorite hairspray. I'm gonna be using Pantene's hairspray. Love it because it smells really good and it's not too firm. I spray the brush and then I just hold down at the root. Don't bring the edge control brush all the way to the end of the baby hair. You just want to bring it down by the root, brush it by the root, and then flick it. Continue and do as you like, okay? So we're here now. It's not permanent. We're gonna change it as we go along, but this is basically how you do it. Look, oh, love this hairstyle is so cute. Now, some great things about this unit, in case you guys didn't know about it, it comes pre-plucked. Obviously, I always tell you guys, pre-plucked or not, I'm gonna always put my own spin on it because I like to have it customized to my hairline. But for the most part, everything came out amazing. Like, I love it. It naturally comes wavy, but I wanted to just define the waves a little bit more. So I did go ahead and crimp it off camera, add some waves into it, make it look all beachy and whatnot. So when it drops, it's gonna look really uniformed, which is what I'm looking for, basically. I'm gonna show you how the back would look. Alright, so I can't see what I'm doing. So we're gonna really experiment with this and see how it comes out. Get your hairspray. Okay, so for these long pieces that I left out, I'm gonna go ahead and just trim that up so it looks like, you know, like I don't have just like intentional hairs down there. Typically, I wouldn't normally do this, but I want it to look like, I don't know what the lace is looking like back there, so now I need a mirror to see. All right, y'all be the judge and tell me how it looks, because I don't know. Okay, so this is where I'm at right now. I'm gonna just leave it here, but I wanted to show you guys that it is possible to put your hair in a ponytail. Now, if I had an extra set of hands here today, like my cousin or my sister, I would definitely show you guys how to do this properly, but it's a one-woman show, and I only got 2 sets of hands, and I can't see, and I got 1 mirror. So we're gonna have to go ahead and take this and deal with it. But this is also good for the girls that don't like glue, don't know how to do 360. You can easily use pins, or you can easily just spray back there. It is very secure though, but kind of scratchy. But yes, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and change out my eyeshadow. But yes, thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope you guys highly and really enjoyed this video. I tried to give you guys a little bit of everything: side part, middle part, braid, cute little style, ponytail, bun. The back could be 10 times better, but we're gonna keep that basic, like I said, because yeah. This, guys, this wig is from Geniuswigs, in case you guys were interested. And I will see you guys in my next video. All the information for this 360 lace frontal wig, pre-plucked, 20 inches, wavy hair, will be down below. Bye, y'all.